Hey guys, today we are going to make a paper F-15, so let's get started. So you need one sheet of paper and the first step you will fold this edge to this edge like this. Once you have finished folding that, open it up and then fold the creases from the this top corner over here like this till the bottom like this, and do the same thing on the other side. Fold this edge to that crease. So once you have done this, you will fold this the corner over here to this center, the below of the center crease. Like this. So once you have done that, you will fold this corner over here and this corner up like this. Okay, once you have done these two steps, fold it up like that, and then you will want to fold it like this only till the line over here, the first one, and do the same thing on the other side. Once you have folded these two like this, you will open it up, fold it back down over there, the bottom piece, and flip it up like this. And then the edges over here, you will want to fold it over. It's already folded. You will want to push it down, and then there will be a pocket here and a pocket here. So this pocket you don't want it to open, but this one you do. So this is open and this is closed. So you have to reverse it. So what you will do is you will push down in this pocket just a little, so that it can open up. So then this crease over here, the corner, you will make a pinch crease over there like that, and then you will line this up like that. So now we have made the pinch crease over here, and we will want to fold this edge like here, over here, like that. And you fold this also like that once you have folded that, and do the same thing for the other side. Fold this over here, the open pocket you want to close it, and then open this, pinch crease it over here, and then make sure this is aligning up over here, and then fold then fold it over here like that. So once you have done this step, you will want to open it not fully, only open this flap over here, and then there will be another edge or something like that. Then you will open it and close it like that back, so it will be like this. So then this wants to fold in this direction pointing to me, so we will reverse fold that. So once you have reverse folded that, you will see that this one wants to point over there, so you will also reverse crease that. So once you have done that, it will look like this. And now you will do the same thing for the other side. Here. Okay, once you have done that, you will see a line over here, a crease over here. So you will fold this edge to that crease and make also corner here. I'll just show you that in 1 minute if you didn't understand. Okay, so we have to fold this edge to that line over here, and then you will also want to fold it like this till here. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it will be good if it's perfect. Try your best to do it, and do the same thing on the other side also. Okay, once you have finished, there will be 2 flaps over here. You will want to reverse crease these flaps, so they will go inside. Of that, and do the same thing for the other side. We'll reverse that. Once you have finished reversing those creases, this corner you will want to put it in the middle over here, where these 2 lines over here, that corner. Like this. So once you have done that, you will fold this like this in the middle. So like this is the part where we did everything. So fold this in the middle like this. So once you have folded it like this, you will see, you will open it little like this. So you will see that these will act like a windscreen over here. So close that up, and you will want to fold this like a normal plane in the front, not all the way to the back. So once you have folded it like that, you will continue. So you will not make this go like on the top, you will just continue from there. Like this is here, so this doesn't line up over here, but it lines up from here. So you will continue folding till the edge. So it will look like this, and do the same thing for the other side. So it will look like this. So we are almost done. So now what you want to do is you need the scissors for this step, and you will want to align this very perfectly over here so it's symmetrical like this. So you will want to cut this like a winglet over here. So like this. This I don't think, yeah, it did cut over there. 1 minute. Like this. Then once you have cutted that, you this point over here where you cutted it, you will want to take that point and cut it over there from like that. So you will like create a little triangle over here. So then take that piece of the triangle out, and the other also. So now what you want to do is you will lay it flat. You cannot do this step while holding like this in the air. So you will fold the winglet and leave a little gap over here. This corner, this edge, it will hold it, and you will do it till this corner. That. And do the same thing on the other side. So once you have done that step, you will open it up like this, and you will see in the front that these two flaps are there. So you will take one of them and take it out like this, and then you will put it in this hole over here like this. You took it out from here, this hole, and you'll put it in that hole. So it locks it from inside. And then the winglets, fold it up like that. Like that. So that's how you make an paper F-15. Hope you guys had fun making your F-15s. Bye.